uh, I could just talk about something, especially for developers and programmers. If you are not a programmer, you don't have to listen to this. This is all technical. Um, and most of the times, I explain these concepts for architecture and design for my teams, my ecosystem partners, so they can develop better, they can understand, align with our strategies. We can't explain all these technologies to all our partners in a regular meeting because everybody is busy building. And when we are building, we can't go social media. So when we have time like this, we squeeze in and talk about what we're doing, what we have done, what's the progress, and all those stuff. So so most of the times when when we are near the computer, we have to being less prepared. But anyway, I'll be talking about our concepts and ideas in the upcoming months. Now, now you know the world is revolving around AI, and people are talking about AI in depth. And if everybody is talking about AI, and AI is moving so fast, and if everybody is following AI, we are not setting the uh, new concepts or not inventing anything. We all are just using it. For example, I know many companies they are using N8N. Many companies who are using creating AI agents. But just remember, we are all creating application based on AI. We are not actually inventing AI or LLM, right? So, how do we invent AI? How do we um, create the frameworks, libraries, protocols around AI is something that we are working on. So one of the ideas that we are looking at is DIDComm. DIDComm is uh, DID stands for decentralized identity. This was the whole idea about decentralized identity is uh, if you have to depend on Google or Microsoft for creating your identity is your Gmail address, right? Or your Microsoft address. That's your identity. In your Facebook world, Facebook ID is your identity. But if you really look at it, you log into Facebook using Gmail, then Gmail becomes your identity, right? So the whole identity is being questioned because if Google decides one day, hey, I don't want to um, uh, promote you anymore. I want to discontinue your account. Twitter does it all the time, right? So your identity is lost. So that's one reason. There are many other reasons why decentralized identity is important. One of the reasons in the AI paradigm is when you have the idea of autonomous agents, and if your agent is depending on a platform called Google ACP, Google system, right? You develop your application or AI agents using Google ecosystem, and some of the agents are Microsoft. How do you communicate to them? How do you what identity will you use to establish trust, right? And the autonomous agent is a much bigger deal than it's being seen as. Just to give an example, Google has something called ACP, Agentic Communication Protocol. Agentic Communication Protocol uses DID-Comm. DID is identity. DID-Comm is based communication, right? Decentralized communication, right? That's what DID-Comm means. The, the Google boasts around DID-Comm, but Google has not engaged even the latest DID communication. They are using a very obsolete partial DID communication in this. That's not good enough. That does not actually give you security. So what we are developing, we call it's OperateAi. I'll share the JIT and everything later. But let me explain DIDComm and how it works. Then in the subsequent meetings and sessions, I'm going to explain individual components. Today, I'm just providing